Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lee. If you're new to this channel, welcome. How about you join the family and hit the subscribe button and hit the bell next to it so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. For my returning subscribers, welcome. If you want to know the tea on this unit that I'm wearing, how about you stay tuned.
It's a bad man tonight. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, He's bad.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything.
So the unit that I'm reviewing today is this unit right here by Bobbi Buzz, and this is, I got it in the style MLF252 REGAN, and I have it in the color OL1B/Burgundy, and it has a 13x4 deep lace, and it's HD transparent. In the back it shows you like all the different specs about it. It's supposed to be glueless, flawless, free parting, natural baby hair, and it's supposed to be pre-plucked. And it is heat safe. It doesn't say the what degree, so go start slow. And then I got it from Wig Ties for $36. There was a $4 upcharge, so yeah. For cap construction, it comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and adjustable strap. And this hair is like, it's big hair friendly because I had to like adjust the straps like to the point where they were like touching each other for it to for me to get that snug fitting. And it's definitely glueless. Like I didn't glue it down. I usually don't glue my unit down, but yeah, I like the parting space. It is nice. I had to use heat on here at the top part so I can lay it down a little bit because I felt like it was a little humpy up there. But she is tangling on me. This is a pretty long unit. She is stopping me by my waist, so she is pretty long, so tangling is expected. Shedding, a little bit of shedding. After I cut the lace, I got a little bit more, so probably due to me cutting the lace either too close, but it was tangling and shedding. And as I went in, like I felt back there, like back here was feeling funny. I'm like, why is it humpy back here? Because it's like, I know my braids are laying flat. And then I turn around, guys, like as you can see, like back here, like filler hair, like of all places. Like, why would you put filler hair back there? Why? Like, still, that turned me off. I'm not gonna lie. I was excited. I was looking forward to getting this unit. She looks very pretty on the stock car. I like the layers. But then it's like, why? Just why? Yeah. The color is nice. If I didn't say that, I like the color. And she's pretty, but it's like right there, that just turned me off. Let me know what you think about her. Are you gonna get it? Like, if you're gonna get it at your own expense. You might get a one that's like that. Maybe it's just the one that I received that's like that. But let me know what you think about it. Make sure you're following me on Instagram and TikTok at Love Your Crowns, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
It's a bad man.